Hi crafty friends, Lace here, the cheeky bum, and today I have a project share. I started packaging up the swap and realized that I didn't film anything. I've taken no pictures. I haven't done anything, but I was starting to put it in packaging and sometimes it's hard to show stuff. So I'm gonna show what I made for Larissa's Is It Halloween Yet swap. So she left it kind of opened. It was kind of like pick 5 things from the list. I'll put it up in the corner of what was required, but I'm pretty happy with what I created. I know that there's a lot of like big hitters in this group, so I'm slightly nervous. Why, I don't know. Like, I know that I do okay stuff, but again, there's some heavy hitters and I'm slightly intimidated. So I'm going to show you what I've created and yeah, and I'll start packaging stuff up. So I used mainly Little Boo's, the Photoplay's Little Boo thing. I really wanted to stick with some bright pinks and some oranges and stuff like that. So the first thing I have, I created these little potion mixes, which is a sequin mix. So the base of this is a Chaos Crafts die for the mini jars, and I've altered it. I do have a video on this, so I'll link it down below if you're interested in making these yourself. I really like this base a little bit more than the Scrap Diva one, because the Scrap Diva also has like a little jar die. But I feel like this one's a little easier to alter. I like to put like a magnetic flap on here because I feel like it just kind of holds the jars in and it just is really nice. So in here I have like a sequin clay mix. The base of it is from Michaels. It's the clay mix from Michaels, and it's got sequins and stars and just some other fun bright colors. In this jar I have just a whole bunch of diamond dots of all different shades of pink, shades of orange, white, black. It's got a little peach, so it just kind of really goes with the collection. And then this one I have just a sequin mix, and it's a little bit more pastel. I feel like this would go really good with like Frank Garcia's, like Twilight, Luna, whatever he comes out with this year. I'm sure it will be all in the same kind of a color wheel. So those are my sequin mixes. And I also created an embellishment box or a trinket box, I think is what was on the list. So I haven't decided what I want to do with this. If I want to leave it just this kind of simple or if I want to put it in an envelope, I don't know. I'm running out of time though, so I really need to get this out in the mail because I have other swaps that I need to, get on. But time just gets away from us. Like, I know it gets away from me. I'm like, oh crap, I have a swap due. I need to get it. But anyway, I just got these little pink containers from Temu. Oh, I have some. I thought I got all of the strings from the hot glue, but I guess not. Anyway, these little trinket containers came from Temu. So in here I just have some pink bones, a couple different shades of pink. And here I have just charms, enamel charms, clay charms, just charms. And here are like flat backs, little like nail charms. I have some little candy flat backs in here and some little pink tickets. Again, keeping up with the pink theme. I have some beads here. I didn't wire wrap these. I just, didn't have time. Everybody likes to wire wrap slightly different, so I just kind of included some of the beads that I used and my dangle, and also that kind of went with the collection. And here I just have some of the Chaos Crafts little words. I feel like I had one. Oh, there's one more. One more in here, and then I have some of these cool looking little knife charms that I got off of Temu as well. So that's my little trinket box. What else did I make? I made some chunky rosettes, and this is what I was packaging up, and I was like, oh, I need to like film stuff before I package them up, because these will be a pain to unpackage. So I haven't made a chunky crepe paper rosette in a while. It's been a few months. I think I did one for Enos's swap, and I haven't done one since. So I did one orange, and I've got like a shaker on here, like a shaker potion jar. It's just, you know, it's all chunked up. And then this one has just got a big old spider on it. I really tried to stick with the ghost theme, but it's kind of hard. I wanted to incorporate more Halloween-y things other than just ghost. But I love these spiders. They're so cool. So I had to use them as well. I knew I'd get sequins all over. I also created these memdexes. Again, I was getting ready to package stuff up, so so this is the Boo Bucket die from the Sassy Club, and I've just turned it into a memdex. So it's got my information on the front, or on the back, with just my Halloween stickers that I've created for this year, and inside I put, like, you know, my favorites, and then I even have my address on the back, but I have it covered up so they can just take it off when they're done filming or doing whatever. So I kept this somewhat simple. I did share a video of like how I made these, and I ended up adding Boo Crew, and I added some cool little flowers. I also made these really chunky dangles. I made this for like there was like a crafter's choice on there, and I really love a good chunky dangle, so I was definitely trying to channel my crafting cruise in this dangle. It's just got so much fun stuff. I bought so many beads and like pink beads and charms that I really wanted to use, so I really like it. I like how it turned out. It's so cool. I almost want to make one for myself. So I have that as well. And then, what else do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I also have these little gift bags that will have, it has like a notepad in here, a ghosty notepad, some like ghost stickers. I got them last year. And then these cool little ghost markers. I also have, I'll be packaging everything up in these little Target Boo, like, ghost jelly totes. These acrylic pieces I had gotten from Walmart, and I just added Hey Boo on here, and I left this pretty simple so they could reuse this piece if they wanted. This is just put on there with some like glue dots, so it can be removed. I did change out the twine that came with it to something a little bit, you know, more different, but I'll probably add some other cool like trims and stuff like that when I go to tie everything up. I usually do. And then I have this bag of goodies. So I have my candies, and I chose ghost dots because they were ghosts. I had gotten these from Dollar General, but they're ghost and they're pink, so they match perfect. And then I also have some little socks. These are ghosts. They're ghost cats. So I just wound those up and tied them with some trim. So those are going to go in the bag. And I probably will throw in some other goodies. I do have some like ghost stickers and stuff like that. I'm going to try to get in the package for my Hostess gift. I went a little different. I didn't make 3 swaps. I usually don't. I usually try to do something special for the Hostess. So I do have this ghost cup that I had gotten from Walmart. I love this. It's so cute. I know that she's a teacher, so she could probably like take this to work with her if she wanted. And then in here, I also have these special little things that I made just like today, but I'm packaging them up. They're the little, it's just like a little hand cream, and I put a little dangle on this. And then a little lip gloss that I created a little dangle for as well. So I have those. And then keeping up with, you know, the ghost theme, I have this little notepad. Again, she could probably go, you know, take this to work with her, put it on her desk. And then I have the ghost dots. I have one of the little ghost wooden signs for her as well. The little ghosty marker. I'll put that in there. And then she's got some slightly different socks. She's got these nice furry ghosty socks. I only could find one pair of these, so that's why those are going to her. And I think that's it. So that is my project share. I think that's everything. There's always something that I'll forget that I'm like, oh, I have to put that in there. I'll probably, I don't know. I feel like I am missing something, like something I created. So as I'm packaging everything up and cleaning up, I'll probably find it. But, you know, stay tuned to Larissa's channel. I'll link her down below. Most likely, if I did forget anything, it will be in her video. So I just wanted to share this real quick so I can package it up and clean up my space and get it put out in the mail. So if you have any questions, let me know below. If not, I guess I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.